Guys, this is so much from Hedging Mastermind. We're showing some profits from all those trades we've been making. And yeah, we started the account with $10,000. We'll be able to make some huge profits, some small profits, scalping using system A, system B. We've done some hedging, just like I said, all the things that I say I teach, and we've put them in the accounts. Whatever the market gives us is what we take, and we adapt to it thanks to the software. If you want to try the signals for 3 months for free, message me trial on Telegram. And yeah, Telegram link inscription. Also make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your account to it. And yeah, for those people who don't have time to trade, maybe you have work, maybe you're in school or something, you need at least you can message me copy on Telegram, link inscription below. You need at least $350 to $500 to be able to connect directly to my account. So whatever trade I take copies directly on your account, and I'll be using hedging as an exit strategy. So whatever we make in the market, we keep. Any losses that we face, we'll hedge it out, just like I've shown you in the $10,000 account. And if you want to, yeah, also the profit is split 80-20. That means this profit is split every month. 80% profit is given to you, 20% profit is for me. And yeah, if you want to buy the course to learn how I do what I do, that means I'll sit down with you, I'll share my screen on Zoom, I'll be taking live trades like I've been showing in these videos. And yeah, you can ask questions anytime. It comes with the software free. We'll be taking live swing trades, live scalp trades, like hedge trades, system A and system B trades. You can also meet me in person. Some other students have met me in person. We'll take live trades while you learn also. And if you want to buy the course, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com. With that being said, we'll see what trades we have for today, and we'll see how the market goes. For those interested in hedging, whatever system you're using, whatever strategy you're using, me personally, I don't use resistance, I don't use indicators, I don't use moving averages. To me, they don't tell you what's going on in the market. They're just a distraction from the charts. I look exactly at what's happening in the charts, and I try not to beat the market. It's very foolish, in my opinion, to try to beat the trillion-dollar market. I look at what the market is doing, and I try to find opportunities to make profits from the markets, and that is what I give in my signals. That's what I trade my account with. That's how I hedge my accounts. The software will do all the analysis for you, because it's going to tell you when and where to buy, where to exit, where to hedge your trades, all the analysis for you. Then it will be up to you to decide if you want to buy, if you want to sell, if you want to hedge. You use what I taught you from my system in order to maneuver through the market. Now, why do we need the software to be able to do analysis for us? Because when we do analysis, we tend to have our own emotional bias and do analysis and say it's about today, and then the market can sell. But because some people are emotionally attached to their trades, they'll keep on, buying because they did buy analysis, and the market will keep on selling and selling until they blow their accounts. So the software has no emotional bias. If it's bullish, it's bullish. If it's bearish, it's bearish. It's going to tell you that. It depends on you and how you want to trade. And yes, sometimes I take buy in the sell market, I take sell in the buy market. That comes with experience. When you know exactly what the market is going to do and how it's going to do it, you use your experience to know how to take trades against the market and know what type of risk to use. If you don't know why you're losing, how do you expect to reduce your losses? If you don't know why you're winning, how do you expect to increase your wins? I know why I'm losing, I know why I'm winning, and I can handle both situations. So I'm not trying to be scared of any situation that happens. If the trade goes against me, I hedge. If it goes in my favor, I bank my profits, no losses. So whatever profits we keep in the copy trade, whatever profits we make in the copy trade, we keep. And that's the power of hedging. It's been my secret weapon for scalping the account, compounding very quickly, growing my account very fast, making a lot of money very quick and fast in the foreign exchange market. Imagine every single loss you've taken in your life. How much would you have if you had hedged it out? A lot of you would be rolling in the bank and taking all the profits away from the markets, just like I do. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure when you like, share, and subscribe, you click all the notification bells on. You can look at all the profits in our Telegram group. What Telegram group link inscription below. We're trying to get to up over 5,000 members. We're up over 5,000, 6,000 members. We're trying to get it to 10,000 members to 15,000 members by the end of this year, and I know we're going to get there. So join the free Telegram group for updates, like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells when you click subscribe and the notification bells, and tell me what type of videos you want. Put that in the comment section below, and I'll make those type of videos. Is it driving videos? Is it car videos? Is it scalping videos? Is it like lifestyle videos? Is it traveling videos? Tell me what you want and we'll make it. And if you have any questions, put that in the comment section also. Hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead, and we'll see what the market has for us today. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, there's a system B buy. I'm gonna quickly take that. My software showed me there. The market pushed all the way up. However, I didn't hit that system B buy. We're in a new day, so I'm taking it. I have two scalping systems. One is called System A, one is called System B. System B is the one that gives me a lot of profits, what I'm taking right now. System A is for like quick, small profits. So we started the account with a hedge. We started with 10,000, and these are System A trades that are giving me small profits. Let me just change the time frame a bit so that we can see this better. So yeah, it's not that far. So look at all this System A profits. If you scroll down a bit, you can see some we started making some good System B profits, so it helped grow the account faster. System A trades again. So System B, you can't determine what is going to happen in the market. You can only understand what is happening in the market and try to use it to your advantage. And that is what I teach my students, because trades like this, I take it live with my students. They get the software for free, which you can get if you want to buy the course at hedgingmastermind.com. And I share my screen on Zoom, or we meet in person, and I trade live with you while teaching you how to scalp, swing, and my number one secret weapon, which is hedging. It's not these System B trades that make me grow my accounts fast and make me compound fast and make me make profit and all these things. It's actually the hedging, because when the market goes against me, the market will, at one point in time, it is inevitable to go against you. So either you're going to take a huge loss, you're going to blow your account, or like me, hedge out the trades. It's what the banks do, it's what the hedge funds do, and it's what I do also. That way, you come out of your trade with profit or with break even. So somebody that takes 5 losses, boom, or somebody that hedges, you keep whatever profit you make. Even if you have 99 losses, but you hedged it out, right, and you had only 1 winning trade that month, you'll still come out with the month in profit. That's the point of hedging. That's why the hedge funds exit their trades that way. Anyways, if you want to test my signals for free for 3 months, message me try on Telegram link in description below. And if you want to test my software for free also, message me test on Telegram also. And make sure you join the Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year. And yeah, you can always meet me. For now, I'm in Europe. So if you want to meet in person, let me know. And we'll be right back when this trade is into more profits. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells. And when you click the notification bells, click on notifications. Also, if you have any questions or any type of videos you want me to do, click the comment in this comment below. I always reply to every comment. We'll be right back soon when we're into more profits in the market. All right, and we're back. Let me just close this. We're back. We're getting closer and closer to profit. Closer and closer to profit. You always have two options, and I'm talking to my students now. You can either close the trade if you want, right? Or you can let it run. But I've been doing this with so much experience. I'm used to this. I always try to learn from every single trade, because I'm using hedging as an exit strategy. I'm not pressurized to win. I've already made my profits. Whatever profit I've made, I'm going to keep. Okay. Maybe I should take some profit, maybe. But I'm sure it will be based on some things. The way I understand how the market works, I know that the market still is going to push up more. Okay, so it's being close to my take profit, right, with maybe a few pips left. Let's see how many pips, like maybe 4 pips away. It's still going to hit the market is going to move way past 4 pips. Okay, and how do I know this? Because I've seen this happen multiple times, over and over and over and over and over again. They say have confidence in your trade. You have confidence when you see your trade happen over and over and over again. I don't think it's going to hit anytime soon, because it's wasting time. If it was going to hit, we'll hit. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on. Comment, and I always reply to every comment, and join the Telegram. All right, guys, and we're back. We hit big profits. So yeah, let me just delete this. And there you go. over $1,000 profits made banked in one trade scalping the market. All you have to do is know where the market is going to go to, which the software will show you. The software comes free with the course. And like I said, if you want to test the software for free, message me test on Telegram, link in description below, and I'll tell you how to do that. So the software has already told me everything, and it does the analysis for you. Okay, it's an AI. It searches the market, looks at what is happening in the market. We started this account with a hedge. As you can see, I lost 144, 140, but I gained over 210. Right, so I actually made profit on that. System B trades helped me grow my account quickly. But anyways, where was I? So yeah, the software does all the analysis for you, and then I use my own personal trading system to trade the market to make decisions. Okay, the reason why I use the software to do my analysis for me is we're all human beings, we all have emotions. Okay, and with your emotions, you can get emotionally attached to your trade. So if the market goes against you, you don't change your bias. Most people don't change their bias, and then they continue to buy when the market is a sell. They continue to sell when the market is a buy. So with the software, it shows me exactly how the market is, and I don't have to get emotionally attached to my trade, you know, to my trade or to my analysis, because then that would be dumb. Because I know that the market is not going that way. So why would I take it? You learn from every trade. Anyways, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another trading video soon.